In the vast skies of Siberia and over the high-tech test ranges of Russia, a new beast was born, fast, stealthy, and deadly. This is the Sukhoi Su-57, Russia's first fifth-generation fighter jet. Designed to dominate the skies, this aircraft is Moscow's answer to the American F-22 and F-35. But what exactly is the Su-57, and how capable is it in modern warfare? Hammer and Wrench Chapter 1, The Birth of the Su-57. Mike narrator. Greater than the story of the Su-57 began in the early 2000s. With the US already fielding its stealthy F-22 Raptor, Russia needed an answer, a next-generation aircraft that could match Western air superiority. In 2002, the PAK-FA program was launched, an ambitious effort to create a stealth, multi-role fighter jet with supermaneuverability, long-range strike capabilities, and advanced avionics. Sukhoi, Russia's leading aerospace company, was given the mission. The result was the T-50 prototype, which later evolved into the Su-57. Airplane Chapter 2, Design and Stealth Technology. Mike narrator. Greater than unlike older Russian fighters known for brute strength, the Su-57 emphasizes stealth. Its angular design, internal weapon bays, radar-absorbent materials, and carefully shaped airframe all reduce its radar cross-section. While not as stealthy as the F-35 or F-22, the Su-57 offers a unique balance between low observability and agility. One of its defining features is the use of composite materials, making up more than 25% of the airframe. It also features an S-shaped engine intake and infrared signature reducing exhausts, improving survivability in hostile environments. Fire Chapter 3, Supermaneuverability and Engines. Mike narrator. Greater than powered by twin engines with 3D thrust vectoring, the Su-57 can perform extraordinary aerial maneuvers, turning inside the turn radius of most Western aircraft. These engines give it supercruise capability, allowing it to fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners. Initial models use the AL-41F1 engine, but future Su-57s will be equipped with the next-gen, Izdeliye 30 feet engine, offering more thrust, better fuel efficiency, and reduced infrared signature. Brain Chapter 4, Avionics and Radar. Mike narrator. Greater than the Su-57 is no slouch in the electronics department. At its core is the N036, PAK-FA, radar system, a powerful AESA radar that includes nose, side, and rear-facing arrays. This gives the pilot a 360-degree detection field, a major advantage in tracking multiple air and ground targets. It's also equipped with infrared search and track IRST systems and advanced data fusion, combining inputs from radar, IR sensors, and electronic warfare systems to enhance situational awareness. Bullseye Chapter 5, Weapons and Combat Role. Mike narrator. Greater than built as a true multi-role fighter, the Su-57 can engage in air-to-air combat and precision ground attacks. It carries weapons inside its fuselage to maintain stealth, including the R-77M Beyond Visual Range Missile, short-range R-74M2, and Kh-59 Mk2 cruise missiles. With 4 internal weapon bays and 6 external hardpoints for non-stealth missions, the Su-57 is built to fight, from dogfights to deep strikes behind enemy lines. Globe Chapter 6, Production and Deployment. Mike narrator. Greater than the Su-57 had its first flight in 2010. After years of development and testing, the first production model entered service with the Russian Air Force in December 2020. By 2025, Russia aims to field at least 22 operational units, with a planned total of 76 by 2028. The aircraft has already seen limited deployment in Syria, providing combat data and live fire test results. Globe Chapter 7, Global Perception and Comparison. Mike narrator. Greater than the Su-57 is often compared to the F-22 Raptor and China's J-20 Mighty Dragon. While each aircraft has its own strengths, the Su-57 is known for its agility, ruggedness, and lower cost per unit. However, its stealth levels and sensor fusion still lag behind Western counterparts. Despite sanctions and delays, the Su-57 represents Russia's most advanced attempt to reclaim air dominance in the 21st century. Checkered flag closing, the future of Russian air power. Mike narrator. Greater than the Su-57 is more than just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of Russia's aerospace ambition. With future variants expected to carry hypersonic missiles, drone control capabilities, and AI-assisted systems, the Su-57 may yet grow into a true titan of the skies. In a world where air superiority decides the fate of battles, the Su-57 stands ready, sharp, stealthy, and supremely Russian.